We don't show back on top of the chairman television station and the senior brother for the programs when concern politics inside the world as in a hot. Ezuku Chukwu the Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, senior man when it come to anything book and the work where we say not decide say won't do. But now I go speak English. You know, step him up a notch to representing people. And we then discuss the issue when get to do with government, whether the thing concern you, whether they born you to they do follow, or they born some people to just they occupy the seat for government, whether they do what they're not supposed to, or whether they do what they're supposed to. His name now Oga Obaseki Pedro. Make it sound
Don
Pedro
Obaseki.
Not put the Don on top. Somehow.
Okay. Don a guy's name.
No matter that.
A guy's name.
Okay.
My name now Pedro Obaseki.
Doctor, make I quickly bring
stage name.
Make I quickly bring this question. You mentioned two things. Shina so it's supposed to be. No be so it's supposed to be.
Yes.
Okay. And then from your own ideology, no be so it's supposed to be. Now it make you come out to the first place.
Yes.
Okay, more also they can go the grassroots or rather the society, the people. The people they say as now so it be. But how you also change their mindset, say no be so it's supposed to be.
Oh, you just said something now, which is now one of the things when I did make jingle.
Okay.
We must change Edo State. But to change Edo State, Edo must change Edolites must change their state of mind. Change Edo State, but first change your state of mind. Now, that state of mind, now be that one of the seminar I gave, I say political voters in Edo State are narcotized. Guys, what do you mean narcotized? It be like say we smoke igbo. You know when you don't smoke igbo, you hide in shine, or maybe you take Benelli with codeine.
You go slow.
You go slow. You go to work out slow. Take it straight.
Not you get all the ideas.
Okay, carry waka. That one supposed change. And I truly believe say if we give ourselves the chance, we can change it. Waiting day, our car enter street. We come our own initiative. We call them every door on every floor, every face in every place.
Every door
on every floor.
door in every floor. Yeah.
You know, just rhyming scheme. Every face in every place. So we they knock for everybody's door. And they talk to Okada rider, stop them for street. I go there, look me where now. You want me to speak English? If you want me to speak English when I speak English, it's going to be difficult for you to know that I'm even
exactly.
So if you want me to speak Pidgin.
You go feel, go sick. That one go enter
I speak almost all the language in my state. I live in Lagos, so I speak Yoruba, and I'm married to an Igbo woman for the past almost 20 years.
You are all rounder.
You've gone round. You be Mr. Nigeria.
Forget, my wife is Adembieri. I'm married to Uchenna Akon, the Imbiero Momomo, Imbitoli Kedro. So, in Anuibo.
In fact,
so if you talk to me, I'll talk to you. So when they support me now, I cut off my mind. They say, you don't know, say I be Igbo in my own small way. Say one Igbo, one. Right on. You get my point? So, but that one shows, say, I feel waka from place to place, talk to Malam in a Jausa, so say, back at that. So I speak outside. I tell God, say, Father Lord, if let's say you don't arrange me down for today.
To prepare you.
Yeah, because Habakkuk 2:3, he said the vision is yet for an appointed time. Now the time when God said, Pedro, step out, to sit down, to use Olaro to me, he said to sit down and do nothing is to cripple fast. So we cannot continue to hope that things change. We not be asking,
at all.
When we say asking, when God did they fail, they leave and you carry second. No, we get to move up, we get to fire them, we get to be Man City, Man U, we get to be Chelsea, we get to fire so that we'll move on. I be asking that fan, why not be Wenger fan?
Okay, quickly, so just more like a follow-up on this one. Okay, you talk something. You just like from the way you don't talk, the job like say yes, you don't enter into the people, you don't feel identified with the people. You understand? What you also need to tell for you to also convince the people further. You also need to at least tell them, okay, these are the things we have, like more like an enumerated breakdown of the
what
things
they're supposed to do.
Exactly.
Okay,
so make them also know say it's not be just to say you walk on they speak all the language you there everywhere.
Yeah, for my language we say bo, everybody here. I say, my people, for me to move them, may I bring things when they will fit they're familiar with. So I start with Edo. I say, if you entertain people, you educate people, you employ people, what do you do for those people? You don't empower them. And be the E. I say, if you develop their head, You carry them go school, develop their brain, build house, build road. You don't develop the state, whether it is human capital development or infrastructural development. Now be the D. I say, but if you give person empowerment, you don't develop road full everywhere. You don't give an idea, opportunity to. You know about that
to identify
opportunity.
Mama, yeah, opportunity.
What about the coke?
Asabi things
opportunity.
Come on, confirm. 2-0 now.
Who the 2-1.
Now they mention on this card. Who you the
That's why when I don't be conduct election for Rivers.
You don't do a beg.
Something when you see here now.
What are
you know the two people when they the Rivers they told you my friend. Yes, the Gbogbo and the Gbogbo, my friend. Particularly Dakuku na my main man. You know, and the Rivers.
The situation different.
Rivers people go wake up. They don't wake up realize say when they break, when politicians fight and people die, those people when die they be mumu. Just look at now. Everybody when they PDP before. Now they be the Saraki now everybody full APC today. All those when they APC before. Now they full PDP today. So why you they fight for them?
Doctor, I beg, we get one of our regular callers. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam.
Oh, correct.
Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to As The Hot.
Oda, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
The guest, they talk like a really pure Nigerian man when they say the way they speak, a words of mouth means action to me. It ginger me in a way. But I would have bust bottle before, you know, for what you know.
I never bust bottle. I was my paro.
When I say me, you don't. Realize from the way you're talking, they ginger me, they move me, you know. But anyway, go to the what I want to ask you to say. If you become a governor now, because you say you go hold town hall meeting, I want to ask you, what would be your plan towards repairing the state to become? Because if you look at I think Edo is one of the places where the Nigeria history, you know, when the British they come Nigeria, is one. But don't want to say you look to the history, you go see Edo is a great nation. You know, would it be your plan towards that to put Edo into the map of Nigeria again, to become in the sense to say it becomes the place where they say everybody will look up to again, and that's not the place of say that bad name, because you look in the sense to say Edo girls and other ones they come abroad, now different names that they give them. What do you things when you say you go give them, me that no say Edo will come up from that bad name to become the glory name again, you know. So that's my question.
Okay, Bobby, thank you very much for this question. We don't drop down, and our guest go fit address this particular this question. So over to you,
Bobby. Thank you very much. I want to remind you of one small phrase when they talk that time. Up Bende. Up Bende, you know, Midwest, Bende. Now just the same Edo and Delta. Bende, now Bini, Delta. Edo, Delta. Now, the first one I want to look at now agriculture. You mentioned why Oyibo come. The reason Oyibo come Africa, come bite of Benin or the oil rivers. They not because of crude oil, now because of palm oil. And people don't realize it today. Palm oil is now one of the 3 major cash crops in the world. Nigeria still they import 63% of total palm oil consumption.
The full Nigeria.
Yes. So meanwhile, Benin, Edo State, now the only place where we say 306 days, now rain take for 2013, and our rain is like, let me use English. It is in the center of the equatorial rainforest. Now we the people when we say not plantain they grow, we know they plant them.
They grow
that the grass when they grow. But everybody abandoned all those ones during the time of 1975-78, Udoji. When they abandoned our feet, our wife will even sing song for us. Rubber don't fall. Meanwhile, Edo State now be the center of oil, of plantain, of rubber, and timber, Masonia. So, but people have abandoned the land because of the small gain of petrol.
True.
Now, although we get small petrol, we get petroleum for our place, we get crude oil. Edo State is also the largest inland reserve of liquefied natural gas for Nigeria. So now we must create jobs, and more jobs. Because if we create, because person when get job, not the thing back thing.
True.
They say person when belly
And I do mind is the devil's workshop.
Now when we not get job, now they think
Now
back
they
thing.
figure out
Once
say-
we are able to, we feel create that kind of thing, you know, new industry. Now Edo State, Dangote doesn't have to be the richest man for Africa, richest black man. But if you say Dangote, the first one go enter your head na cement.
True.
The second one go enter your head, na
Sugar.
sugar. Then the
Salt.
third thing, salt
Pastries.
and pastry. Thank you. Blend at 3-0 now. Now, Edo State, the whole Edo North sits on the largest limestone bed in Nigeria.
When we say now they take do cement.
Everywhere. Serious, Rhino cement, now be Edo's Okbela cement factory.
Dr.
Now,
Obaseki,
yes.
we get somebody where they call us from Niger State, Daniel, making no vex, saying they hang on for some time. Oga Daniel, good morning and welcome to Ask It Hot.
All right, Chukwuji, I greet you.
Good morning, Daniel.
We greet you, Oga Daniel.
Good morning, sir.
My Oga in the house, I greet you well, well.
I greet you too. I salute.
Me now from Okpela, and Okpela they under Esako East local government.
Now Okbela be the major place of the cement.
And me as an Okpela boy, I dey pass like 2 local governments before I reach my local
Government headquarters.
Before I go reach my secretariat.
Yes, I know.
So if you become governor, wetin Okpela people go gain from you? Because as it is now, I no go criticize you, but right now as we talk to you now, if you reach Okpela, the popular place where we get the cement factory.
Yes. I was there 2 weeks
And
ago.
as it is now, nothing that the Okpela to show, say government, even the
No presence, no they there.
aside from the private project where they go on. So if you be governor, what do you get to do for us?
Daniel,
Thank you very much for that question. We don't drop, and I think make we allow our guests also address them. So
that in question, I feel sorry. That one a major issue for us, for me. That is for my team. Okpela, which may I speak English?
Speak
Yeah,
out.
nah, if
Which
chip am
is
in.
maybe the economic hotbed in terms of natural resources in Edo North. It's a bush town. Where we get the cement factory, we also get quarries where they crack
rocks, the way
and
they take
precious
ton,
stones,
exactly. Precious stones.
granite, and all those things. Then they there. Okpela, Okpela is in Esako East. Esako East, but for you to by road go from Okpela to the local government headquarters in Agenegbode, you go pass Iloke, pass Iyamo, Oshomole town for
You guys go turn round.
Esako West, come turn left, right, they walk out for the main road, come reach Fuga or Esako Central,
Fuga,
where
yeah.
Oga Victor Ogai come from. Before you go Agenegbode, the headquarters for so it's about 56
Kilometers away
from the headquarters, from the town, from the headquarters. But you have to go, walk out through 2 local government areas
before you go reach
there.
am.
But that will not be the main problem. If development day, people don't go wonder whether what they concern where local government headquarters day. You know, Surulere they waka. We don't care whether the headquarters they allow sir. But everywhere, everybody they bubble, like in the bubble.
Work they go on.
Work they go on. My biggest plan for Okpela is very simple. The plan for Okpela is I want indigenous participation. There must be an indigenization, so that if you I don't this one the economics.
If it cheaper,
economics they hard for pigeon.
Okay.
You know, let me put it this way: if you they go invest 100 million for that environment,
Particular place, yeah.
you must make sure say both CSRO and a percentage of the entire staffing, not Agbero, not bricklayer, must come from
That particular
locality.
place.
So it go be say local content local participation, both from top down and bottom up. That is the only, now that's the way we go develop the town. Then also, I also tell my people, say, if I become governor, all the commissioner, they must go home every weekend.
At least to go there, identify with their people.
No, they go build their house for their village. And by so doing, open up that village space.
Very true.
You know, sorry. My grandma don't form my
Just
microphone.
continue, no
How are
worry.
you? I would say, you know. So that is one major thing. You see, and the only way this one take work now, person when they grand, when they walk out the street normal. I walk out the street.
Oga Pedro,
Yes.
we get Chris. Chris, they call us all the way from Warri. Oga Chris, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Chris.
Chris.
Okay, I want to ask Oga Don Pedro one question.
Okay.
You sure say you be worried boy the way they talk so.
I be Edo, but I still worry.
Boy, no, I be a dope boy, I still worry too.
Okay, right down with the Chris.
Oga Don Pedro, I ask one question.
Yes, sir.
I bet if you become governor, how you will take empower the youth for that state? Because I believe the youth now the engine will power this nation. And when the youth then they idle, my Oga, nothing they go on. So how you want to take, because now there the energy, the brain, everything then they, how you want to empower them so that those states will go back to what it used to be before?
Okay.
Oga Chris,
thank you very much
for this your important question.
If you enter Benin from Okada.
But before you go, address that, make we quickly collect this other call from Valentine. Valentine, they call us from PH, Port Harcourt. Good morning, Valentine. Valentine, you did there. Good morning.
Be like say the network no gree Valentine making contribution. Oga Don, you could just say
one of my big boss now, YTO.
YTO.
Take over. Now, my government, government of the youth. I don't feel like I be 48 years old.
I used to be small boy, somehow. If we check out all the 70-something,
you see, you won't hand over today to people who know even sabi use Facebook.
It does somehow.
Yes, now, you know.
People don't be sent text message.
Thank you.
It does somehow.
They take like donkey years before they go even type one alphabet.
Let's put it, let me see, this is what I say in the campaign. You know, even if you use Facebook, I want the youth to also face their book. Even if you use WhatsApp, a great youth must know WhatsApp. Know WhatsApp. So what did we do now? We try change the entire speak. The youth education are key. Who no go school not be my friend.
Exactly.
Because me na product of education. Say this pikin when go Takara, this pikin when go Gary school. I go school. I graduate at the age before I was 20. Uniben recall me. I become lecturer at the age of 21. And maybe the youngest lecturer Uniben don't ever get. I open why I talk since 1969. Hello, you get my point? I become teacher. Go school, go Ibadan, do masters, do PhD, come back, and start. By the time I be 27 years, I became the first programs manager for the first private TV station, DBN TV.
Oga Obaseki, we get Harrison. Harrison, they call us all the way. If like say Edo people today, then turn it into Barako. Oga Harrison from Niger. Good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chus.
Good morning, Harrison.
Yeah, our guests were there on TV. Bros, I hear you.
I hear you back.
Yeah. You see, one challenge when I don't notice for Edo State. You see, I live in Niger State right now. And here, if you buy land, when you want to start your building, nobody could disturb you.
Money let something.
But our side there, if you buy land when you want to start your building, and then you go see the youth, they're going to come from nowhere, so they come pay for this, pay for that. That thing, they stop many of us not to go home. To go put something for granted. So I don't know how you could face that challenge by the time you become our governor.
Okay,
Oga Harrison, Oga Pedro, we go quickly rush and inside small break because we don't say this question with all the ones where they don't ask. We go back, get plenty time, address all of them. But we'll go this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with government, how it take concern you and our Ogbonge visitor. Now Oga Pedro Obaseki, and in the person where we say one contest to become governor for inside Edo State. Don't go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV, and this now As It complete. Welcome back. back to As in the Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Pedro Obaseki inside studio. And we discuss government, how it take concern you based on some kind of things wey dey happen for our society and some kind of arrangement wey be say plenty people don't think say na normal. Oga Pedro, you be one answer one question wey get to do with say for Edo State. Harrison bin talk say for Niger where in dey based, say if you buy land, you go build house, nobody go come harass you. But he talk say for Edo State, plenty youth.
Money less them.
If to say these people get work, they no go come as come and say they want to collect land money. Who they collect the money for, on behalf of who?
Who get the land in the first place?
Exactly.
I want start am from the worry boy will come for the Edo boy will come for worry.
Okay.
I go speak Benin first. Now try translate.
Okay.
Ne rien rien zi odan. Rien rien means sweet. Person when belle is sweet, not the think evil. And the youth of Edo State will need to take over. So if you enter Benin, man might be but now YTO, youth take over. And I don't believe in all those youth empowerment scheme, all those pay them 15,000 naira tier ticket for them. No. I am providing gainful employment, and the way is very simple. But you only need person when be say they grand. Not person when go wake up in the morning for AC, enter AC car, enter AC aeroplane, fly first class, reach another my country, still come by no the grand. Now that my take-home pay must take me home. 15,000 naira a month, your take-home pay can take you home. Gainful employment. So first, I introduce ESDI.
Doctor,
State Diaspora Investment Initiative.
Before you go further down, we got caller. The person they call us from here for Lagos. Good morning. Who they call us?
Oga Chris.
Oga Chris. Good morning. Would they hear you?
My name is Prince Will.
Okay,
Prince Will.
I want to ask Oga Wede for there.
Okay.
The current district governor is his party member, right?
Yes, I've been party member, sir.
Hello?
Yes. He said they'll be party members.
I've been party member.
Yes, he's his party member. And the reason people voted in was to do something different from what Edo State had all these years. And as it stands now, he's about to leave office.
Yes.
I don't think he don't do differently well as the person we've been there. So waiting him will do different from the same person will be in party member, because while that man did there as a party member, he's supposed to suggest some of these things so that things we don't do it well. So how him go do his own now when he won't enter, if he enter, do it differently.
Okay, thank you very much, Prince. You don't drop your question. But we'll still get another caller right now. We'll get somebody they call us from Abuja. Beauty, good morning. Beauty, good morning. You there?
Beauty, network agree you contribute. It be like say network no agree Beauty. We go just padlock our telephone lines now. Our people when we say one try call, make una no vex now. For us to get time, allow our Ogbonge visitor address all the questions where they don't raise. Oga Pedro, over to you.
I will just do quick so that I don't waste time.
Sharp.
Number one, the youth now the engine of any nation.
Very true.
A nation when putting youth down is a nation cost doomed to nowhere. So waiting I give my people for Benin. Number one, I create ESDI, Edo State Diaspora Investment Initiative. That one now to provide a new way of providing job. Waiting I feel say people they get mistake over because they see say government supposed to give job. No. For Lagos, government is not a huge employer of labor. True. But government provides an enabling environment for businesses to thrive.
Exactly.
So I now say, okay, that boy when he talks say why he won't come back from abroad company, I create ESDI. We, as of last year, $78 million now be the remittance from abroad company. So even government self they borrow from our abroad guys through Western Union. Now, and I said I go create ESDI, Edo State Diaspora Investment Initiative, whereby if you get $1 million worth of business idea, all you need to set them up for Edo State now to bring 10% equity participation. Then I meet with 3 banks. I'm not going to mention their name now, not be free advert. And they don't agree, say they go do what they call the 90% matching funds. So Edo State government under me go now provide irrevocable guarantee, which will be tied to the state's revenue allocation and revenue generation. So what do you mean now be saying, if Nkubi bring idea, Nkubi Nigeria Limited, the idea is $1 million, but you only need to bring $100,000. You go bring that $100,000, put them, that bank will give an $900,000. The bank paper, the equity share of the investment ownership go be 10% for him. 90% for Edo State government. But Edo State government no go ever bring couple come out. Now the bank.
Yes.
So once you pay back 20%, government loses 20% of the company to you. And then by so doing, by the end of the day, maybe after 2, 3, 4 years, you don't pay back the money at single-digit interest rate. Why they insist on that single-digit interest rate? They say cost of borrowing must not be higher than cost of business. And cost of the money market should not be a problem to growth. Once there's that be the problem with Nigeria economy going forward. Once I do that one, for you to participate, you must employ a minimum for every $1 million. 25 Edo youths in gainful employment.
25 Edo youths.
Pensionable employment. And we think we can do 1,000. So from day one, 25,000 will be off the street. Now, thirdly, I look at Agric. I want to create farming commune. Not be something when you go hard, don't go, they do infrastructure.
As if not there, development day.
This one a town where rain they fall anyhow.
So the ground don't set already.
Don't they soil?
This one now when be say for Edo Central, anytime they drink chivita, they drink pineapple from our place. Now we get Ewu flour meal. Ewu flour meal before now they do penny flour. Now that same thing I make Dangote. Now they make golden penny. Now they make, we get them already. We get rice. Now we be your father rice. Your father not they get rice. Ekboma rice, now be your father rice. If they drive that express road today now, the rice just they grow. People know they harvest them. So now deliberate agriculture. This one a land, this one a place where MB said we still get access to sea. Ologbo. I go rebuild the tourism sector. Because now that one be the youth center. Now, if I feel, they say now I am on the four people in fan Nollywood. I may be former president of the Film Corporation of Nigeria. Now, if I feel do that one, I may produce all them Ayangba, Igodo, I may write down direct Igodo and all those ones in those days. Those people today they put money for food for their table. People when I be employed in those days, there be big men today for Wapopia, for Cool FM, for AIT channels. So by nature, God don't design say I know how to create jobs from zero. So the youth will be galvanized. Sports will be key. Bender Insurance don't die. But
and then Mr. play for that year.
That time, and the win trophies die.
May I give you one thing? Bender Insurance die because the company die. But meanwhile, today insurance
to take over.
Yeah, insurance now the second highest financial service provider for Nigeria. So why Edo State government go they pay our budget this year now 112 billion. 1% of 112 billion and 1.12 billion. Now to revive Bender Insurance by our calculation with 750 million naira direct.
Just 750.
Yes, instead of me to now pay insurance company Nyco, Rain, I go pay and they resuscitate the company.
Oga Pedro,
no, we've had.
You know why they pay my body? They pay me like this.
Because you not be a man.
No, be say because I know.
No, every time body they pay.
As I did like this,
yes.
Based on all this thing we don't talk.
Yes.
It just they be me like say when time reach to pick wife.
Yes.
So that based on say we already be in law.
Yes.
I go your enter inside.
Please. I understand you. I understand. Say every time your body they always they do you like
But it hot.
It hot, but no be as
Oga Pedro, we go like make you promise our people them when they for house.
Yes.
Say when we extend invitation, give you again.
Yes.
You go come because we know say your
no
schedule very very busy.
Yes.
Say you go come join us because this discussion no be something we say we will capture from our episode.
Let me speak English and then I'll speak pidgin.
No, they don't say you serious.
I'm running seriously for governor, and I think that Edo State deserves the leadership. We get the leadership it truly deserves. I believe, say, Oshomole is the Moses of Edo State. But me believe, say, Nami go be the Joshua to lead Edo State to the promised land. I also believe that Wazobia, with this interview today, you don't change the look and feel of the whole election.
On top of us today, hot.
Let me explain why.
You
see, when I put me for here now, I dey galvanize, I dey relate, you know, and I feel at home. Because now they speak the language.
Where everybody understand.
Not everybody, where my people originate. Now we start. So when they go see and I say, see, our governor, they come here SLSC waiting. Our SLSC waiting. The guy cross line though. You know, he belong. So I feel say I did do many interviews since, but this one. I know you're close.
Okay, Pedro, leave am. Our people wey dey for us dey talk and say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot smoke based on current affairs, based on small chops wey we dey talk. Una bye bye. Oga Pedro, go shake your hand. You do well. Thank you very much.
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.